So, you're here because we want to talk about the Mavic Mini and how durable it is as a micro drone slash toy kind of drone. So first off, this is my personal Mavic Mini. Okay? This is the one that I paid, my own hard cash for. This is not something I was given by DJI or any other vendor to represent. This is something that, sorry, just wanted to turn it off. This is something that I paid good hard-earned dinero for. And I recently had an issue with it where I hate to say it, but it got stepped on. It was sitting down where I'd been trying to get it to fly. The camera in the app was not displaying properly what I was looking for, and I landed it, and my 15-year-old daughter stepped on it. Now, for those of you who don't have kids, 15-year-old daughter is effectively a grown-ass woman, and she's 5'6", human, full human dimensions, and she stepped on it, and she stepped squarely on it, and she was wearing combat boots at the time. As she said, she didn't see it. To me, that says, as a teenager, she didn't look. But the only damage to it, and I don't know if you can see it in this image, is a little bit of a mark right there. And it's just basically where it got pressed into the pavement. There's a little bit of a mark that I can't scrape away. Other than that, it was 100% fine. I went ahead and then flew it for another 20-25 minutes without issue, and brought it home and flew it for another half hour without issue. So when it comes down to the question of how much damage can this little guy take, how much abuse can it take, I would say a surprising amount. So it was in full unfolded flying condition when that happened. Sorry, I'm actually unfolding it to demonstrate. But it was in its full shape, full process shape of ready to fly when it got squashed, literally by a 15-year-old's combat boot. And it was able to continue flying without issue. So I've now actually flown it for several miles since that point in time without an issue. The other thing, which hopefully if I can get my recording software to do right, is it also, I was doing a flyby of an elevated boardwalk near where I live, and it actually encountered part of the boardwalk. It ran into it. And this is one of those things that, having flown a DJI Spark before, it would promptly fall out of the sky if this had been a Spark. In the case of the Mavic, it actually contacted it not once but twice before I could get it away from the boardwalk that was causing it issue. And it didn't fall out of the sky. It continued to fly, which, considering it was over top of a snowy marsh, big plus in my book. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to roll a little bit of footage here of when that actually happened. So as far as how durable this thing is for a toy class drone, I'm thrilled. My Spark never got stepped on, so I have no good comparison there. But for damage that I never expected it to take, it survived it beautifully. As far as it running into a structure while it was flying, once again, my Spark never did that. Oh no, I shouldn't say that. It did. It ran into a couple of branches on a couple of occasions, and it promptly fell out of the sky. This didn't, which is a serious endorsement in my opinion. So, thank you very much. So what you'll see at this point is I am flying alongside of an elevated walkway, and the drone starts to drift to the right, makes contact with it, kind of jostles the camera a little bit, and you will see that we then make contact again before I'm able to get it away from the bridge.